Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instagram Reels, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an Instagram Reel in your Canva account for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an Instagram Reel in Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. And with Canva, they have various templates that are available to make your Instagram Reels creative and interesting. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It's going to show all of your recent design. However, in order to create an Instagram Reel with your existing videos, you want to click right here on search up here on the top, and then just type in Instagram Reel. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see the section Canva template, and then just click on see all. Okay, guys, so here are all of the templates that are available in Canva to make an Instagram Reel. You can see a lot of them, they're really quite creative. So most of them are free. However, some of them are paid. So if you see this little crown down here, you have to have the pro version, and sometimes they're going to have like a little dollar sign underneath them. Those ones are a paid version. So if you just want to see just the free version, what you're going to do is scroll up here and click on all filters. And then here on the left, scroll all the way down and click on free and then apply. Okay, guys, so here are all of the Instagram Reel templates, and these are free to use. So just kind of scroll through until you see one that kind of fits with your branding. So let's see here. So this one looks pretty cool. Let me go ahead and make an Instagram Reel about a coffee cup. Okay, so the cool thing about Canva is when you choose an Instagram Reel template, it's going to show you other ones that are related. So you might be able to find a better one if you scroll down. So let's see here. This one looks pretty good. So I'll just use this one, and I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so next it brings you here into the editor. So we're going to go ahead and be able to set up this Instagram Reel. So this one only has just the one video down here. Let me switch into another one that's a little bit more complicated so you can get a better idea. Okay, I'm going to use this one because it has 4 different sections, and I'm going to click on customize. Okay, so this will actually a little bit better. So now we are in the Instagram Reel editor. So this is pretty cool. So what you're going to do is split up into different sections down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different videos. So that's actually more than I want to do on this video. So let me go ahead and just delete a few of these. So you just click on it, and when it's purple around it, you can just click delete, and we'll delete, delete, delete. Okay, so now we just have these 3 videos we're going to work with. So we're going to go ahead and edit these section by section. So first we're going to click on this one, and that way it's set up on this first video once it has a purple icon around it. And as you can see on this particular template, it has sections for 4 different videos. So obviously this is going to be about a coffee cup. This is not going to be about earrings. So we're going to need to swap out these videos. And how you're going to do that is here on the left, scroll down until you see uploads and click there. And then what you're going to do is click on videos. Okay, now it's going to show all the videos that you've uploaded into your Canva. So if the video that you want to use is not here, just click on upload and then upload the video from your computer into Canva, and then it should show up right here. So let me go ahead and add a couple of videos. Okay, guys, so I uploaded a couple of videos so you can see them right here. And then all you're going to do, it's kind of weird. Canva doesn't really have like a place where you can right click and then swap out a video or replace. But what you're going to need to do is just click on the photo or the video, and then you're just going to drag your new video right over that video, and it'll just drop right in, as you can see right there, and then just let go, and the video is added right in. And then we're going to go ahead and do that for the 4 videos. So I'm going to drag this one over, and we'll put it over that one, and then this one we'll put here, and then this last one we'll put down here. Okay, so now if you want to see what it looks like, just click on play. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. One thing I want to let you know is that it doesn't necessarily need to be a video if you want to replace these, but it can be. And then also if you want to add anything over here like words, motivational words or something like that, you can go over here to the left bar, and then maybe we'll do text, and then we'll click on add a text box, and you can see it right there. And then you're just going to click into that. It's just like setting up a Facebook page. So we'll just do drink your darn coffee. Okay, and that's kind of small. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this little white dot here and just make it a little bit bigger. All right, and it's still kind of hard to read. So I'll click up here and make it bold, and then we can maybe reposition that a little bit better. So I'll just grab the little purple box, and as you can see, we can kind of move it around. We'll put it right there. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. So we'll grab this little bar, drag it on over, and then we'll click on play. Okay, so that's pretty good for the first frame. And then we'll go over here and do the second frame. So we're going to do the same thing. We just need to change out these. So instead of doing videos on this one, maybe I'll go ahead and go over here to upload, and then I'll just make it of myself. So I'll grab this picture and just drop it right in over, and I'll do that just to make it simple for all of these. Okay, so there's 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's done. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and we'll just drag this little slider down here at the bottom again. And then let's go ahead and play it and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to click play. All right, so we have my coffee. And then next, we're going to show me and the different images. So maybe we'll go ahead and delete this last frame. So that's deleted. And also if you want to go ahead and maybe draw on something, maybe like a heart, we'll click right here on draw and then we'll choose this marker and then we'll just do a little heart. So as you can see, you can be as creative as you want. I'm not really artistic, but you get the idea. You kind of want to just play around with it until it looks like it's matching up with your brand, but that looks pretty good. And then right here in the middle, you can change the transition. So you can see this little sparkly thing. And then maybe we want to go ahead and do a circle wipe or a color wipe, a line wipe. So that looks pretty good. So once again, we'll just drag this back and then we'll play it once again. Okay, so there's the coffee and a transition into me. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is go ahead and change the title of this. That way I can reference it back later. So we'll do Instagram Reel Coffee. Okay, and now we're ready to go ahead and just download this. So we're going to click on share up here on the top right. Okay, next we're going to click on download. Right next you want to choose the file type. So if you want to keep it as a video, you can do that. Or if you simply just want the images, you can click on JPG or PNG, and then you'll click on download. Once it's saved to download, you can share it to your phone and then upload it as an Instagram reel to be uploaded from your phone. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an Instagram reel using your Canva account for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.